Welcome back. Now we are going to show the different options of the Video Monogram tool. I hope you enjoy it.
The first thing we're going to do is open the Create Video Monogram tool. Once we're here, we're presented with two options. We can create a monogram from scratch or upload a monogram. In this case, we're going to create a monogram, but it is important to know that this will consume 1 credit. Now, unlimited users don't have anything to worry about. Also, if you upload your own monogram, it won't consume any credits in this step. Here, we can select any monogram that is pre-made, any design that we like. All the designs are different. So let's create this one, Enchanted Forest. We're going to enter the name, let's say Laura's 15. And then we can still change the color of the text, the flower colors, and the butterfly colors. We can generate the projector version, which means it's not going to come with a transparent background, or we can generate a monogram with a transparent background. Here, we wait a little bit. Since this workflow doesn't use AI, it's going to be very quick. And there it is, our monogram. Here, we can download it. We can fine-tune it even more, which means we can change the colors, and this is standard for all tools. But the video loop will be generated only with the original version. So for now, let's leave it as it is, and we're going to press the button Make It Video Loop. Now, it's important to note that each template will have different options. They're not the same for all templates. For instance, this one, you can change the background or you can change the overlay. But if you go to a different template, for example, this one, Enchanted Forest, now we don't have a background to change. Now it's called butterfly colors and overlay colors. For now, let's keep it as it is because it matches our monogram. And now we're ready to generate a low-resolution sample. The good news is that generating this preview doesn't consume any credits at all, but it will allow you to view the video monogram before you consume the credit to generate the full version. I think it looks pretty good. So now we're ready to generate the high-definition video. It usually takes about 90 seconds for the high-definition video loop to generate. This will consume a second credit. Again, unlimited users do not have to worry about credits. And there it is, our beautiful monogram video loop with perfect and seamless transition, ready to play on all media devices as a video loop. You can play it on TVs, projectors, or backgrounds on your events.
Thanks for watching. Now you are ready to generate beautiful video monograms for your event. See you soon!